In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in Microsoft Planner following the full guide for 2025. This will make managing your projects more streamlined and efficient. To start, you'll need to log into your Microsoft 365 account. If you're not already familiar, Microsoft 365 is a suite that offers applications for both personal and business use, including Planner, which helps keep track of tasks and projects. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to Planner. Planner is a versatile tool that allows you to organize and assign tasks within your team, track progress efficiently, and more. Now look for the Planner icon. It should be readily available on your Microsoft 365 homepage. Give it a click and you'll be one step closer to mastering task management. After entering Planner, head over to the My Plans section. This area serves as a repository for all your current plans, allowing quick access to any projects you're working on. Click on My Plans to view a list of all your existing plans. Find the plan you wish to work on today and click to open it. This will take you into a detailed view of the selected plan, where you can see all tasks and associated items. Now that you're inside your chosen plan, it's time to select the task you want to link. Take a moment to identify it among your list of tasks. Once you've found the desired task, click on it to open up further options. At this point, look for the three dots, often referred to as More Options. This button typically provides additional actions you can perform on the task. When you click on the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you're looking for the option to copy link to task. Selecting this will copy the URL link of the task to your clipboard, making it easy to attach this link elsewhere. This feature is particularly helpful when you want to keep related tasks interconnected or share specific task details with others quickly. Next, find another task where you wish to paste this link. Open that task by clicking on it. With the task open, navigate to the Notes section. This is usually the area where additional task details are provided, and it's a convenient place to include links and other references. Finally, paste the previously copied task link into the Notes section of this task. This simple action officially links one task to another, allowing anyone with access to easily switch between related tasks and ensuring that all necessary information is just a click away. With that, you've successfully linked tasks in Microsoft Planner. This method is a brilliant way to enhance teamwork and project management, keeping everyone on the same page at all times. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.